Hello viewers, welcome to Needle Online. Today we are going to see 5 designs in regular and fancy wear dress materials, price ranging from $8.99 to $1829. All these products will be available in our website needle.com from 12 noon. You can place your order directly from our website and we do free shipping all over India. Today's order will be shipped on 13th October and tracking details will be shared to your mail ID in SMS on 14th October. Please order accordingly. Viewers, kindly note there will be a slight variation in the color due to the lighting used for the videography. Hence, we request you to consider the picture posted in our website for reference. Let us see the first design. The fabric is fancy silk cotton. The color is onion pink. The fabric has shine, and this is the yoke part, which has heavy kardana work highlighted with thread embroidery work. Let us see how the complete set looks. It's a party wear set, festive collection in fancy silk cotton. The fabric has textured as well. You can take a closer view of the yoke, neatly done with kardana and thread embroidery. The fabric, the color of the fabric is dark onion pink. It might appear too bright in the video due to the lighting effect, so please consider the picture posted in our website. This is kind of a beautiful sober onion pink color. The fabric is textured. It's a tone to tone set. Top, bottom and dupatta are of same color. We have a matching bottom in onion pink and beautiful organza dupatta with all over embroidery and cut work in the sides. The fabric of the dupatta is very lightweight and elegant fabric with colorful floral and leafy embroidery all over the dupatta. We have 4 different colors. The cost of the set is 1549 and we do free shipping all over India. Let us see the other colors as well, and all these are festive collection. You can buy directly from our website from 12 noon today. This is a neck shade in light olive green with beautiful work on the yoke. The fabric is fancy silk cotton. It has little shine and it needs lining. So this is the next color. You can take a closer view of the work. All these are kardana work in beautiful light olive green. We have a matching fabric provided, which can be either used as a lining or as a bottom as per your convenience, and dupatta in organza fabric with all over embroidery and cut work on the sides. A very lightweight and elegant dupatta, apt for festive wear, and this is a dupatta for this, matching to that of the work done in the top. A beautiful concept. The cost of the set is 1549. This is actually a light olive green. In the video it might appear too bright, so please refer the picture posted in our website. It is given with the description. A detailed description is given. So this is the next set, like the next color in the same design in dark beige color. We have restocked this design again. We posted a similar one 2 days ago. So this is the next color with dark beige with beautiful work on the yoke. The fabric is textured as well, as you can see. Matching fabric is provided, which can be used as a bottom or as a lining, and beautiful organza dupatta with all over embroidery. And this is the dupatta for this. The cost of the set is 1549. We have one more color in this. Totally we have 4 colors in the same design. This is kind of light grey shade. In fancy silk cotton. The fabric has little shine, and this is the yoke part, heavy kardana work and embroidery work. Matching fabric is provided, which can be either used as a bottom or a lining, and this is the dupatta in organza fabric with all over embroidery, and this is the dupatta for this. a lightweight fabric. The cost of the set is 1549. It's kind of grey color. It's grey and little tinge of blue, so it's kind of greyish blue color. Next we are going to see a beautiful fancy wear dress material in silk cotton and beautiful combination. It's half white with maroon combination and in silk cotton fabric. All these are zari woven buttas, and this is the yoke part. And this yoke part we have zardosi, bead, and all these are real mirror work. A simple and neat work. Let us see how the complete set look. Even this is a festive wear collection. A new design. You can take a closer view of the work. All these are real mirrors. Special care has to be taken while washing. And all these are zari woven buttas on silk cotton. The fabric is thin, so lining is needed. The same design comes at the back as well. A beautiful ivory color with maroon combination. A festive wear set. This is silk cotton bottom. And we have fancy silk cotton dupatta which has a crinkled effect and bandhani prints on it. A beautiful color combination. So this is the dupatta which has bandhani prints in fancy silk cotton which has a crinkled, a crushed effect. And this is how the complete set looks with fancy tassels. So this is the tassels for this. This is a single color concept. The cost of the set is 1229. You can buy these products directly from our website neidhal.com from 12 noon. Next we are going to see dress materials in Bhagalpuri jute silk cotton fabric which has original wax batik on it. It is dark grey with maroon combination. The fabric will be slightly coarse and it also has little shine. Let us see how the complete set looks. So we have batik design in the front side. And this is the daman border in batik. We have simple design at the back. It is teamed with dark pink Bhagalpuri jute silk cotton bottom with floral batik design on it. And dupatta is also in Bhagalpuri jute silk cotton, which is a dual shaded dupatta with batik prints. So this is the dupatta for this. The top we have, it's kind of a mixture of three colors like grey, blue and black. It gives a different shades. So this is how the complete set looks. The cost of the set is $8.99. Next color is just vice versa of the other one. The pink top with original wax batik design on it. The fabric is slightly coarse. It needs lining. So this is the design that comes in the front with batik border in the daman. We have simple batik design at the back. The fabric has shine. It's slightly coarse, needs lining. And this is the bottom with batik design and jewel shaded dupatta in Bhagalpuri jute silk cotton fabric. So this is the design for this. The cost of the set is $8.99, free shipping. And all these designs will come in sober colors. In video it might appear too bright, so please make a note of it. You can see the description in our are given in our website. So this is the next shade, turquoise green with fenugreek yellow combination in Bhagalpuri jute silk cotton. So this is the top. This is the bottom. Even the bottom has batik design and jewel shaded dupatta. Cost of the set is $8.99. Please subscribe our channel for regular updates. Every day we post new collections. So this is the next color. It's fenugreek yellow with turquoise green combination. with original wax fabric design on it. And this is the bottom and jewel shaded dupatta. Next we have a beautiful designer set, Festi wear collection. The fabric is semi-gloss silk in light beige color with heavy thread and sequence work done on the yoke part. The fabric is textured as well. The fabric has shine. Beautiful concept with heavy embroidery and sequence work done on the front side of the top. It is plain at the back. It's kind of silky fabric. Fabric needs lining. A rich color. We have a thin, soft cotton bottom for this. In peach color, it's kind of a pale peachish pink with beautiful dupatta. We have a digital printed silk cotton dupatta, a very lightweight fabric with attractive prints on it. With fancy tassels. You can take a look at the prints. All these are digital printed in sober color, beautiful combination. Dupatta highlighting the set. The cost of the set is 1829. We have 4 colors in this. The top color remains the same. Dupatta and the bottom will vary. So this is the next set. The fabric is semi-gloss silk. So this is the top. The same design with heavy work on the yoke. We have light green, pastel green, soft thin cotton bottom and beautiful dupatta in digital printed. Fancy silk cotton. The dupatta fabric is very lightweight, easy to carry with attractive prints on it. You can take a look at the prints. It's a festive wear set. A sober green. It gives an elegant and rich look. The cost of the set is 1829. This is the next shade in pale yellow bottom. So we can say it's light sandal yellow. And beautiful dupatta. And dupatta all are in sober colors with attractive prints. So this is the dupatta for this. Beautiful combination. Beige with light sandal yellow. The top fabric is semi-gloss silk and the dupatta is digital printed fancy silk cotton fabric. Priced at 1829. The next color we have in peach. A very sober color combination. Cotton bottom. A very different concept of festive wear collection. And this is a dupatta. We also have zari lines on both the sides and fancy tassels. Take a closer view of the one. The cost of the set is 1829. Next we are going to see Bhagalpuri silk cotton fabric. A very soft and silky fabric with thread woven design and sequence work. The sequence are woven along with the fabric, which gives a neat finish. The fabric is very soft and silky. It has a shaded effect. So we have thread and sequence work done all over the top. So we have light yellow, the top portion, a little darker shade of yellow. The lower part will have a darker shade. So thus we have different shades of yellow in this. The ombre effect with thread and sequence work neatly done. It's a festive wear set. The fabric is thin and silky, so lining is needed. We have the same pattern at the back as well. It is teamed with dark fenugreek yellow sandtone bottom, a soft and silky fabric, and dupatta is also in Bhagalpuri silk cotton with thread and sequence concept. Even this is shaded dupatta. The cost of the set is 1099. We have different colors in this. This is the next shade. It's kind of purple shades. We have light, darker shades in the lower part of the top with sequence work. We have a matching sandtone bottom in dark beetroot purple, and dupatta is also shaded dupatta with sequins and thread work. The cost of the set is 1099. The next color we have shades of greys and black. So we have beautiful sequence and thread work. The fabric is very soft and silky. Lining is needed. Matching sandtone bottom in black, and dupatta jewel shaded dupatta. Kind of shaded soft silk dupatta. Priced at 1099. You can buy all these products directly from our website from 12 noon today. So this is the next shade. It's kind of lighter grey shades. The fabric is very soft and silky fabric. We have matching light grey sandtone bottom, and dupatta is also in Bhagalpuri silk cotton with sequins and thread work. The cost of the set is 1099, free shipping. Hope you like our today's collection. Thanks for watching our video. Have a great day and stay safe.